Hi, my name is Bako. I'm out here in Dubai and welcome to my apartment tour. So I currently live in a one-bedroom studio apartment located in Al Jadaf, which is pretty much in between Dubai International Airport and Dubai Mall Burj Khalifa. It's a really cool apartment with some really nice perks like the private gym and swimming pool on the rooftop. I'll also be touching on how I found this place and negotiate the price so it worked for me. So hang fire until the end if you're wanting to find out. So we're entering it from the right. Straight away we have the bathroom, nice little flowers. There's me, toilet. We have my shoes that I put over there. On the right hand side we've got the kitchen area. We've got the island here in the middle. We've got the sink. I try and keep everything as clean as possible, as you can see. But yeah, it's this is what it looks like. I've got the microwave, I've got the toaster. Lots of space here in the cupboards at the top. And we've got a washing machine out here. We've got the drawers out there for any cutleries and stuff. This is the living room space. That's my work desk. The reason I've got two Macs is one for work and one for my kind of creative side. Got an iPad, got a nice little setup over here of how I want to work. And towards the right hand side here, I've got the TV, got the plant and the seating area over here. It's dark at the moment, but the motorway is right outside of my apartment and it's pretty quick and easy access. In case I ever do want to go to a different part of Dubai, and yeah, the taxi can just jump straight away on the motorway and take me to X, Y, and Z, whatever part of Dubai I want to go to. Luckily, the apartment is built in a way where I don't have to worry about the sound of, you know, the cars driving by and stuff from the motorway. So that's one good perk. At the same time, because I'm pretty outskirts Dubai, the rent here is pretty cheap. We have my bedroom. There's a queen-sized bed. Not much of a decor out there. There's a window. Here I've got a wardrobe. So I've got the iron, got the hairdryer and some other stuff. And on the left-hand side I've got my clothes. And towards the left-hand side of here I have the bathroom. There's me again. I'm very organized, as you can tell. When it comes down to my stuff, on the right-hand side we have a standing shower head. There it is. Okay, so now that you guys can see my apartment, let's go right to the top and show you guys what the gym looks like. I've got to go through a couple doors, but this is it. The dumbbells go up to 20 kg, you've got a bench press, treadmills, you've got the bike, and then there's two ways to go up to the swimming pool, via the door that I'm going through right now, and also via the lift itself. Really nice views. At night time the pool does get a bit chilly, so unless you're really good with cold water, I would not recommend jumping in the pool at night. But besides that, it's a really nice place. I sometimes come here to work, obviously when the sun is not at its max peak. Okay, so my apartment is a studio, as you may have figured out, and it's pretty outskirts Dubai. When I say outskirts Dubai, it's I'm 5 minutes away from the metro, and I think I'm about 7 stops away from the city centre. By city centre I mean the downtown Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall kind of area. A bit more further away, of course, towards the Palm. But yeah, it works really well for me because if I ever want to leave and go to, I don't know, some part of Dubai, walking to the metro is only a 5-minute walk and the metro is pretty cheap. It allows me to keep my costs pretty low. One other thing to note down is where I live, there's quite a few supermarkets around me, which really helps, of course, for the cooking side of things and groceries, because once again that's also just across from the metro, and yeah, it allows me to go and you know, do the shopping. And for those wondering how I approach my kind of costings and payments and stuff side of things, I'm both on Monzo and Revolut. It really helps out for those that are traveling like me and don't want to carry around cash and having to exchange every single time to go to a different country. Yeah, Monzo and Revolut are perfect. Okay, so for those that are wondering how I found this apartment, so I actually went about it in a little bit different way. So I contacted a company that was listing one of their apartments on Airbnb. Further to my conversations with them via email or whatever whatnot, I saw a couple more apartments and then I chose this apartment in the end. Not only is it aesthetic, but it's also got some really good lighting, as you can see. Yeah, I just needed a place where I can do some recording without having to bring all my lights from back in Manchester. So for those that are wondering how much an apartment like this will cost you in the outskirts of Dubai, I'm paying 5,000 dirhams, which is approximately £950 per month, which includes rent, Wi-Fi, gas and electricity.